G'day folks, Adam from Aussie Cruisers 4x4. Back out with the CAMPQUBE again. We're going to do a cook up. We're doing tonight a spicy apricot lamb shanks. Can't wait to taste it. But yeah, here's the fire going, just getting the hot coals ready. And we're going to cook it in the spun steel camp oven. And we'll let you know as we go along. I'll show you the setup and me prep and all that. Thanks mate. You don't have to chop it up fine, just big chunks I suppose will do.
Little chunks. A little knife. Use a little knife.
Little chunks. I like using my big knife.
But the little one's better.
Yeah, big one's better. So you tell me the big one's always better. Must be lying to you. Or as Uncle Nigel says, sorry children. Alright, now you get your onions chopped up. Need some garlic. Smash it. Table's not very good, but anyway. Chop the garlic up. Look how good I go, eh?
Wouldn't worry about too small.
The little bowerbirds come to say hello. Well, I think it's a bowerbird.
Correct you if you're wrong.
If you know different, let me know. Comment down below. Remember, while I'm saying that, like and subscribe. I love the comments. So like and subscribe, comment. I don't care. Call me dickhead if you like. That doesn't worry me. Alright, so you chop your garlic up and your onion. Then you get your good old spun steel. Throw your lamb shanks, good size lamb shanks too, from Aldi. Oh, really Australian. So you throw your lamb shanks in there. Throw your onion and garlic in there. While you at it. And then well, if you want, I'm going to do some chili powder later, but probably chop up a bit of a chili.
Homegrown.
Homegrown chili too.
Why you?
I can't wait the warmer time comes in, so I can get all my chilies going. I grow some Carolina Reapers. Not that I eat them, I eat a little bit of them, but geez, they're too hot to eat. So throw the chilies in there, seeds and all, and then just stir it around a bit and mix it up over here.
You want a spoon?
And then just get it, put the top on it. I'll just grab my gloves so I can move a bit of timber here. Let me dip timber over, grab me thingo. Bit of smoke in my eyes. Smoke gets in your eyes. Right, now just let that heat up for a little bit.
Have a cry while you're at it.
Well, I'm crying not from the onion, I'm crying from the bloody smoke. Just while you're doing it, just stir it a little bit just so you can get those onions and garlic and that chilli. Let's sear the meat up a little bit. And burn your eyes from the smoke. Well, don't worry about the gloves, makes more taste. I know Peter doesn't think so, but I do.
What the fuck are you doing?
You gotta remember one thing, folks. I ain't the best cook. Pete's the one that does that. So yeah, put the lid back on for a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Alright. Run over the right way, over this way. Oh, that's right. Now they're probably seared enough. Once you've done that, that's perfect. That's yummy. You get your apricot halves. Pour them in. Just give it a quick stir. Move the apricot halves around. And apricot nectar. Yummy.
Smells good. Do you want to put some chili flakes in it? A little bit?
Yeah.
Like a quarter or something?
Well, they can do anything. As we said, this is going to be a spicy. About a teaspoon of chili flakes or more. Again, give it a quick stir, mix it around. Like so. Put the lid back on. And away we go.
Is that it? What, do you got to let it cook for an hour?
Oh, about an hour or so.
There we go.
Whilst you're watching the video today, if you don't mind, just give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It helps me out and gets me on my way, and I'll try to get as much content to you guys as I can. I'm only learning, and everything you find with me is straight out. I don't do much editing, I don't know how to, so it's pretty much what you see is what you get. you don't like it, well, you don't like it. I can't help that. Everyone has their own decisions. But as I said, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe. Thanks. Right, we've been going for well, probably an hour or so now, I think. And there we have the lamb shanks. I reckon we'll give it another, I don't know, 15-20 minutes. But look how it's coming off the bone. And that, it looks beautiful. Just give it a quick stir again. Like I said, this is done on the CAMPQUBE. If you're interested in buying a CAMPQUBE, get onto Horizon Touring. He's out of stock at the moment. He may be back in stock, I don't know, but I'm pretty sure he's out of stock at the moment. Had a big sale. Don't blame him, good stuff. But the Explorer pack is what I've got, which gives you this camp oven and all the other accessories as I showed you in the previous video, which I'll tag in this, well, I'll put a link to it in this video. But yeah, so this is my first cook up on it, and it's looking great. But I'm thinking I'm going to do some heap more cook ups on it. Going well. Anyway, I'll put this lid back on, cook it up for another 15-20 minutes, show you the end result. Ciao. So here we have the finished product of our apricot spicy apricot lamb shanks. Just have a look in there. Got a helicopter going over there. So yeah, that's the finished product of that. Yummo. So now we're going to move on. Spin this around a little bit. We're going to move on and cook up. Just put my light back up here. Or maybe I'll move it over here. Get a couple of rolls out. Now we're going to cook up some smash burgers. Because my two young girls like smash burgers, but I don't have a knife. Just pause it for a minute.